Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. I'm super excited to show you guys this bathroom makeover that I did a couple months ago. I redid the whole entire thing with just paint and stenciling, which is amazing. I also added a new mirror, but that's about it. And I just really transformed the whole space using just paint. So I'm going to show you exactly how I did that and each step of the process. So let's get right into it. So the first part of this room that I wanted to tackle was the sink. I wanted to go in with a raised stencil on this. So I got my plaster and started plastering my stencil onto the piece. And then after that was all dry, I went in with a navy blue chalk paint to cover it up. And then I reattached all the hardware after spray painting it a copper color, and it was all good to go. The next step in the process was to remove that cabinet mirror, and I'm gonna replace it with a circular mirror with a gold rim. That was taken down. I decided to paint the walls a light gray color. After the paint was dry, it was time to stencil the wall, and I was just stenciling the back wall where the mirror was gonna be, and I used our scattered polka dot stencil, and I just think that it came out as such a fun touch to be behind the mirror. Lastly, I wanted to create some bathroom decor, so I went in with two different stencils and just created two wooden signs from some wood that I had from Lowe's, did a little whitewash look, and then stenciled in white, and the room just came together so nicely. I'm very happy with how this look turned out, and I'm so glad that I got to do it with just paint and stenciling. There was really not much more that I put into it besides that mirror, and that is just incredible to me that a whole entire space can change that much with just the power of paint. And if you guys are looking to do this to one of your rooms in your house, if you want to redo one of your bathrooms or any room really, I will link all the stencils that I used down below. And if you want to look at the rest of our stencils, you can go to stencilmepretty.com. And if you want to look at any of our recent Instagram projects, you can go head over to our Instagram at stencilmepretty. And that concludes today's video. I hope you guys loved it as much as I did creating it, and I'll see you at the next one.